Hi everyone, we're going to be making a passport today. Let's get to it. We're going to need a white paper, a blue paper, pencil, a white color pencil. I also have a silver Sharpie if you have one, or a gold Sharpie, and then scissors, stapler, and a ruler. Let's see how we make it. First, we're going to make the cover, and we need to fold the paper in half. And then we're going to cut this in half. And we only need half a sheet. And then we're going to fold it in half again. I'm going to use my white color pencil and write the word passport at the top here. First, I make a line very lightly so I can erase it later, and then writing the word passport. Like this. And then I'm going to draw a logo here, and this will be a Roman passport. So I will draw Caesar on here. So let's start with a very lightly drawing a curved line on the right side, making it almost like a pizza. Triangle shape on the left. And then I'm going to draw a ear on like a letter C. At the top here, I'm going to draw a little upside down letter C. Curve going around, and big curve coming back up. At the bottom of this curve, drawing a line slanted going down to the left. Near the corner of this pizza, I have a line, straight line coming down, and then connecting them back in a slanted way. Now the front here has a nose, so it's kind of like a little L shape, a mirror L shape. At the top of this L shape on the left side, I'm going to draw two lines, an angle line, and then a little curved line here, and then a little eyebrow here. Below this L shape, I'm going to draw a little curved line. Now, very simply, we have created a profile of a person, of a man's face. I can also use an eraser to erase some of the guidelines, like the lines that's inside the nose here, or this line here. Okay, I can also use my eraser since I'm erasing. Erase the line underneath the passport. Remember, the lines should be drawn very lightly so that you can erase them later. Alright, just like this. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to write the word Roman. And then I'm going to harden the lines a little bit with a wavy line up here and the curve here. And then the lines in the mouth area, creating a chin, going back to the neck. And then also the forehead. Okay, so now I have a face. You can always also erase a little bit of the line up here. Alright, now I want to draw some hair in here. So I'm going to draw some wavy lines up here. Kind of like curved triangles. Just to create some patterns so that it's not too empty. Zigzag lines. And then some more details in the ears, a little curved line here, and the jawbone here. Alright, so I have created my own little logo in the middle. Now I have to create some pages inside my passport. So I'm going to move this aside. And we'll use this white paper I have here, and I'll fold it in half. And I'll cut this in half and fold it again. I made myself one page. This is the next one. And put them all in. So the blue one, the first one, the second one, all stacked together. Fold in the middle, like this. Now I will need my stapler and staple in the middle. And I'm going to put it this way so that the outside is facing up. I'll put one staple at the top, one staple at the bottom. Make sure you staple in the middle, so you want to make sure that the staples right in the middle section here. Now if you're not sure where the staple will go, maybe you can ask your mom and dad for help. Okay, so that's one. And the other way, that's two. So this one is a little bit better. This one is not very good. It's not in the center line. This one is a little bit better. All right. So once we have the passport and the pages done, what we're gonna do is we will do the inside. So we flip to the inside. On the first page here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our ruler, and we'll draw a box on the left. The box should be quite big on the left side of the page. So just a long rectangular box. And of course, this will be your photo. And then the first line, we're gonna make 6 lines. So let's make 6 lines first for different information on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. All right, so we have 6 lines. And the first one will be our name. So I'm gonna write the word name and colon, and then you're gonna put your name here. The next one will be date of birth. Date of birth. Okay, and then also the next one will be place of birth. Let's write the full thing, place of birth. And then next one will be nationality. Then the next one will be date of issue, so that we know when this is issued. And the last one will be our signature. Okay. Now, of course, you will fill in your own information, and when you finish, the last thing we can do is we are going to use, if you have a silver one, you can use a silver marker, or if you have a gold one, you can use a gold one to outline the lines in the front here. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can also just leave it to white, and that's all right as well. All right, so this is just a small little passport, and a passport is important because it tells the government that where you've been to, and if you need to go into another place, you need your passport to prove that you are the citizen of your country, so your nationality. I live in Canada, so maybe our nationality should be Canadian here. So it depends where your nationality is. This is a identification for yourself when you go into another country. All right, so this is a little small project for you to keep in mind that of how important it is that where we came from. And this is my final passport. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.